Alright y'all, so this is the next day. So after I blow dried my hair dry, I went on ahead and tied it up and went to bed. So let's see how our hair turned out. Oh, I slept cute last night. Look at this. It says dry. It ain't rock hard, but it's definitely dry, y'all. Remember the faux edges I put on yesterday? And this is how sleek the back is looking. If you have any dull patches or dry spots in your hair from using the glue or any of the Pump It Up free spray, go ahead and go in with some of this Soft and Beautiful. It's the ultimate conditioning sheen spray, and it's just going to combat any flaking, dry looking patches, whatever. Be careful when you spray this because you don't want to moisten it or putting too much oils on it to cause it to lift when you start sweating out in public. So I'm going to actually hold the very beginning and just spray the rest. And I'm just going to smooth that to add some sheen and shine to my swoop. And don't forget about the back. Alright, so now we're going to put our puff on. If y'all have not seen this puff from my last video, I did purchase this off of Amazon, and I will have this particular puff listed in the description below. So if y'all want to click on my Amazon affiliate link, put this in your cart. You'll have this at your door in about 2 days. So let's go ahead and install it. And I'm just trying to position it on top of my head, that way it'll be right where I want it, y'all. And then I'm gonna grab the string and see if we can pull it tight. Please go back and double check and make sure your puff is on your head, because I had a nice experience the last time and it flew off. It just went straight to the left. The thing was on the ground. So make sure. Alright, so now that the ponytail is on our head, we're just going to take the drawstring and wrap it around the base of our puff. And then we're just going to tuck the string. Just tuck up underneath all that hair. Nobody would never know what's under there, y'all. And then just start fluffing your puff out and giving it some shape. The edges is looking real good, y'all. Look at them. Alright, so for extra added security, we're going to go in with 4 of these closed bobby pins, and we're going to put 1 in each quadrant. So 1 in the front, 1 in the back, and then 1 on both sides. So let's go ahead and secure that. This is so convenient. I mean, you just pop this ponytail home after you mold down your front and do your little faux edges or whatever you gotta do. Tie it up, go to sleep. When you wake up in the morning, pop your ponytail on. Super simple, very easy, and it's a super DIY video that anyone can do. You don't have to have any talent to be able to put a drawstring on. Trust and believe. Alright, so of course, to finish up my look, I gotta pop in my earrings because I don't go nowhere without them. And I love my big hoops. Hoops just go so perfect with a puff, some kind of puff ponytail. It gives me kind of a 70s, 80s feel. And I'm an 80s baby, so it's right on time. Alright, and because we put some sheen on the base, let's spray our afro. That way it doesn't look super dry. what I'm gonna do now is go in with this Eco Styler, and we're gonna lay those sideburns down. So this is just the Crystals Eco Styler, and I'm using one of these little eyebrow combs. Has a comb on one end and a brush on the other. Yeah, I'm gonna use that. Just put a little gel right there on the edge of that brush. See what we can do with these little sides. I just kind of like to bring them down to a nice little point. Or sometimes I just like to curl them up right here on the side and just let them do what they gonna do. Just kind of like, you know what I mean, one of these. Just curl it up with the comb a little bit and just let it go. See, it's like a little curl right there. I kind of like to, yeah, I kind of go with the hairstyle. We're gonna curl them today. We ain't gonna lay them down. So let me do the other side. And I'm just combing this out, adding some gel to these little hairs, and we just gonna swirl it around with the brush just like that, dragging some of that gel through the hair strands, and we just rolling it. Bam, and you have like a little curly cue. See that? And then we just gonna leave them just like that, because that's how we like to do them, period. Okay, so this is the end of the video, y'all. Hopefully y'all enjoyed yourselves. If you like and feel a good puff drawstring ponytail, go ahead and drop me a comment down in the comment section below. Please thumbs up this video, share it as many times as you want with as many people as you know can benefit from this type of hairstyle. Please subscribe to the channel, and yeah, drop me a comment down in the comment section below and let me know what type of videos you want to see next. So I would like to, and I would like to know that as well. All right, y'all, so let me do a little 360 for you. This is what it's looking like. Let me know if it's giving. Is it tea? Let me know if it's tea.